Morning, guys. It is July 26, 2026. William here. And we're going to visit with Bruce and Herbert today. They're out of their cage. They're flying around happily. They're getting hard to tell apart. The only way I can tell them apart is by their personality. Bruce is on the right and Herbert is on the left. Bruce is really active. He's got a real character to him, and Herbert's more subdued. They enjoy being out of their cage. So it's a slow day today, not much happening. We're going to watch Mom's church service on YouTube, and other than that, there's not much going on. Bruce and Herbert are getting along better since I got the extra food feeder in the cage. They used to fight over food. I used to have one feeder in the cage, and Bruce used to take a fit when Herbert would eat. Bruce is the more dominant one. But since I got the extra feeder, they're getting along better. This is Herbert. I love my Budgies. So thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog, and I'll see you in the next vlog.